So, what are the different things you get by a container? How do you want to take it? Okay. So, these are the there are many advantages of using container, right? But these three are very important and of major importance, right? So, the first one is the portability, right? So, in olden days, why Java became popular? You can write code once and run it anywhere, right? The same flexibility is what you get by containers, right? You just build once and then run anywhere, right? So instead of write once and run anywhere, with containers it is build once and run anywhere, right? Second important thing is reproducibility, right? So have you been through this? Okay, it runs on my desktop, right? It doesn't work in QA, right? Or it doesn't work in production, but I'm not able to reproduce it, right? So what do you think? Why these issues come? Okay. Any other aspects?
Different configuration.
Different configurations, yes. Some configuration variable got missed. While developing, I ensured to configure variable x equal to 1, but while giving my instructions to the infra team, I forgot to mention you need to set x equal to 1, right? So that's why reproducibility is more important. So whatever you are trying to produce, you are reproducing it in any environments, right? So suddenly now you can create QA, integration, production, or any different kind of environments, right? So that's why reproducibility is more important, right? Now third one is scalability, right? The word itself says, say you are just running with a low traffic and suddenly you realize that, oh, my app is getting viral, right? My app has gone viral and there are so many users coming in, right? So how do you scale, right? If you might think that, okay, if my services were running like 5 more instances or 10 more instances, how quickly do you scale, right? And how do you automate the scaling, right? So all of these features are like readily available, and we will show you in our demo, and you can also try a few things for us. Okay. So moving forward, so next one is you can how you can distribute the containers, right? So you want to you want to distribute in a way. How do you optimize your capacity, right? So in the previous slides we spoke about how do you manage the resources efficiently, right? So you can if you look at, right, there is a proper stacking, right? You are like very minimally you're kind of wasting the resources. You are like trying to use the resources very optimistic, right? So that's what you can use it very efficiently in very logical way, right? Okay, this is how my services are going to run, this is how they are going to scale, this is how they're going to scale up and down, right? You can say that, okay, night time nobody uses, so let me bring down my services, number of services running. Okay, morning time 10 o'clock there is a peak traffic. Say for example, we have a travel app, right? We know that morning 10 o'clock everyone will book cabs, or morning 8 o'clock everybody is going to book cab, right? So naturally your traffic will go high. But by 10, 11 o'clock everybody has reached office, and after that your traffic is going to be low, right? So you can bring down the number of instances, so thereby you are using your resources very efficiently, right? So as we spoke about, you are running in a very healthy and green environment, right? Because now you are using your resources very efficiently and very running with very much high optimization, right? Your costs come down, your infrastructure cost also come down.